So let's just say you have an item like this one, who it comes up and you cannot scan it into the system for whatever the reason being. Let's try to find this effectively. So for me, I would probably take the most relative word, which is going to be the AWS. So I'm going to type AWS. In here, it's going to give you a list of everything we have with that. So if I look on here, this is a black one, and I have found it here. I highlighted it, and I'm going to hit OK. At that point, it brought it to the register, so you can continue to ring this customer out. That was $26.99. Also, with price check key, I want to point out, in here, if you notice, it gives you an option for eligible discount. So in this box here, it would tell you if this item was on sale, or if there was anything, any buy down, anything relative to the Loyal and Save, any special discounts that are available for this item. That would be listed in this box. It says you can add it to the sale, so you can click on that button, and that will also bring it to the register. So you don't have to close out and then go in there and ring it under the UPC. Again, we have to inform everybody of our mandated 20% supplemental tax. We're gonna proceed. Those two items are here for sale, and we item search them. Once you have done that, continue on with your sale and sell your products. Let's go ahead and cash this customer out. You notice on the screen here, you have all these icons: $100 bill, $50 bill, $20 bill, $10 bill, $5 bill, $1 bill. You can use those, or you can just type in the amount on your keyboard. So he gave me $60. You would hit $60 and you would hit cash. Do not hit enter. If you type in that number and you hit enter, if there is a product in your store with that number, it's gonna put that product on the screen. Let me show you, for instance, what I mean. Let's just say the customer gave me $10.02. If I type in 10.02 and I hit enter, do you notice that it just brought a water pipe to my screen for $109? We must not use enter when entering the cash. You must hit that cash icon. So right now we're gonna have to get rid of that $109 item that we just put on this person's receipt, and we're gonna void the last item. If you remember, we touched base on that earlier. This is what that feature is for. So hit void last item, again, error, and hit OK. It removed the water pipe, and now that sale is back to $52.90. Let's go ahead and explain how to split the tenders. Let's say he only has $20 cash and he wants to put the rest on his credit card. You can go two ways of that. I would personally put the cash in first, so hit $20 cash. And now he's responsible for $32.90, which is what you'll ring on the credit card. Please take that $20 and put it on top of your keyboard. Let him follow through with the credit card sale. And then it's gonna pop open to ask you to put the $20 into the drawer. Also give him his receipt so he understands that he paid $20 cash and that the balance was put on his credit card. We're going to go into the employee discounts. Every store sets their discounts at their level. Let's say this customer, this employee is buying this today. Again, only a manager can do the discount. Not everybody is available to do that. So make sure your manager is in the store. Ring up the item, hit the employee discount. Now, depending on what you allow for the discount, whether it's 15, 20, or 25, you would select that option. This particular one is 15%. So I'm gonna click on employee discount. Again, you come to the screen, the manager's gonna come over, type in his numbers. If you notice, it brought me to a screen to highlight whatever items are going to be discounted. So I click on it, I hit discount, and it just took $3 off. And now the staff actually is going to pay $22 for their item. Let's go ahead and load in the Loyal and Save account. Ask the customer for their phone number if he's already a Loyal and Save. If he's not, go ahead and enroll him in. If you notice here, This person has $49.88 they can use to purchase anything in our stores. Right about now, the total is only $22.02. So you would ask them, do you wish to use the points towards your purchase? They can say yes, they can say no. It's a personal choice. Personally, I'm gonna say no at this time, so I'm gonna hit cancel. I'd like to have my points billed. At that point, I'm gonna cash it out and I'm gonna buy my items and I'm gonna leave. As an employee, you must maintain all receipts with your product. It is very important. Let's just say you have a item that is an open box or the case is broken or it's been in the display for a while. Let's just say you want to give somebody $5 off. You would ring the item. Again, everything we sell mostly requires an ID, so I do apologize. Ring the item. At that point, it's $25.91. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna type in the amount. So you're gonna hit $5, you're gonna hit store coupon. Again, only a manager can allow that to happen. You're gonna have the manager log in, highlight the item, hit apply, and the $5 was taken off, bringing the item now to $20.51 from $25. And of course, they would pay accordingly. You have a donation button. Everybody has their own. This one is specific for the New York State Veterans Association. Let's just say a customer comes in, their total is $19.80. You can ask them if they would like to take the 20 cents and donate it. If they say yes, take the 20 cents, hit the icon for the New York State Veterans donation, type in the amount. As you see, we're gonna put in 20 cents. We're gonna hit OK. And it gives you a message that says, thank you for supporting the first responders. And you're gonna proceed.